dental implant is a permanent solution to replace a missing tooth. It's a titanium post placed into your jawbone where the root of the missing tooth used to be. Over time, it fuses with the bone, creating a strong foundation. Once secure, a custom-made crown is placed on top, giving you a natural-looking, functional tooth. Dental implants restore your ability to eat, speak, and smile confidently. They're durable, long-lasting, and prevent bone loss while blending seamlessly with your natural teeth. At Med Istanbul Hospital, we use the latest technology and experienced professionals to ensure the best results, so you can enjoy a perfect, confident smile.